into this. It is all fucking randomness.
There is a pattern.
There is no fucking pattern.
Made perfect sense to me. Okay.
With 3 tongues out of fucking how many?
No, it makes
There's a
sense.
pattern.
The pattern, just those 3 songs.
There's no goddamn pattern.
Yes, there is. There is a pattern.
Fuck you, camera. Fuck you.
Regardless if it was intentional or not, there's a pattern.
You snorted again. Did you guys catch it?
How about we take the poster down?
You suck my dick.
It makes us stop talking about it.
It's just a video, but there's a pattern.
Wait a second.
There is no fucking pattern.
Look! Red. Look, are you watching the screen?
Yeah, red.
Okay, and then look. 1 row, 2 row, and then another color. See it?
Yeah, that's.
And then 1 row, 2 row, and then another color.
YouTube will agree with us.
YouTube will not agree with this though. Solid tongue, solid tongue.